up, Davis 314 family? For years, I've worked hard. I've been working since high school. And I've just always had a fear of buying big purchases. I would definitely buy a trip. I would definitely spend money on a trip. But I do not spend money on clothing and shoes and purses and all those other extravagant things that others spend money on. It's just always, I don't know what the fear is related to. But for years, I've been wanting a Gucci purse, really a antique or vintage, not antique, a vintage Gucci. I like old stuff. Wise things. I've been wanting a vintage Gucci and a vintage Louis Vuitton forever, but when the opportunity presents itself for me to purchase it, I get scared and I don't do it. So, I finally did it. And I can't believe I did it. I bought a Gucci Marmont small shoulder bag. Let's get into it. Yes, I'm in bed. I was about to go to bed. Oh, I did not get my nails done. I just couldn't do it. But I do have some press-on nails I may try to put on. I am at that point in life where I don't want to do much for myself. I'd rather pay for it. So we're going to see how I do putting on my own nails. I did get these lashes redone. My main girl was back in town. She had moved to Texas and now she's back. Alright. Are you all ready to get into it? My first expensive fashion purchase. Okay, I feel like I'm grown. On Gucci. I want you all to look up. Okay, I love how just the mailing box has the Gucci name in it. Not that they put their name on regular boxes, FedEx, from FedEx. It says Gucci. Okay, let's get into it. Got me a little card. This is a nice cardboard texture card. It says Gucci. It's already open. Let's see what it says. Okay. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you for shopping with us. Each item has been skillfully designed in Italy. The place I want to go. I forgot, but I do love Gucci story, and I love the Louis Vuitton story. So look up the history of the ones who invented, who created, the creators, my bad. Look up the creator's story. They have an interesting, and Louis Vuitton, Christian Louis Vuitton. I know one of them was in foster care. Also, Chanel. Look up her story. Her story is really interesting. Coco Chanel. She was a little out there. She was a little ratchet, you know what I mean? She was dating married men and stuff like that. Anyway, that's her business. They gave me a nice bag. I guess just to store it. I don't know. Because I'm not used to the bougie people world. It's not bougie. It says Gucci. Well, what is it to? What are these for? Two little zeros. Alright. Thanks for the bag. I don't know what the paper is for. And then the balls. Alright. I'm super duper excited. Alright, let's see. I feel like a kid on Christmas. Sturdy box. Let's untie this ribbon. Dun, 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 dun. Wrapping paper. Okay, go Jay. It says trunk shop. You know, they started with trunks. Most of the designers that we all love started making trunks back in Italy. And then, yeah, traveling articles, fine articles, small leather goods, umbrellas, walking sticks, handbags, several articles, presents. That's what this is. Okay, there's a little sticky label thing down here. Let me just do one of these. This box is sturdy and can be used or saved or sold. Alright, I'm sliding out of this. Oh, this is the dust bag for it. So maybe this is just an extra or something. Antique hardware with a chevron pattern. This soft leather feels good. And guess what, guys? And gas. It has the double G's on the back as well. So you can wear it this way or you can wear it this way. Alright. Okay, shoulder straps. Alright. Let's take all this off. Okay, took that off. Has the leather shoulder strap. The bronze gold chain. I need to connect it. So you can connect it based on the length you need it. Alright, I'm a big girl, so I'm just gonna connect it at the closest hoop to the bottom. I'm trying to click it in there. Is it going? So some other big purchases that I've wanted, but I've always been scared to buy, it is snapped in there. Okay. This is one of my favorite colors. I love all tans, nudes, off-whites, getting into white. I love white, but I've always had a little kid, so I've been scared to wear white. But Woody's older now, and my other two are a little older too. Little leather tassel coming down. I like the chain. I like how you can wear it on this side, or how it, let's see how it look on that, on this other side. You wear it on this side too, and you still get the little tassel effect. I like that. Okay, there we go.